Hey guys, welcome to another video of Autofly. This is a bonus video for you guys. I was looking online and I came across this interesting technique in which you can easily remove rust from any metal surface. So, as Dashera is coming, everyone likes their cars, bikes, and machines squeaky clean. So, I thought maybe I should do an interesting video for you guys. So, if you haven't checked out my earlier video, I explained how my experience was owning this bike for 8 years. So, I'll link it up. Please watch it if you find it interesting. And so let's get started. So now this hack requires two basic things which are very easily available in your local store or even at home. So the two things are aluminum foil and WD-40 spray. So what you basically do is you take the aluminum foil, you take a little piece, you make a ball out of it, you take the spray. So now if you look closely, these parts are very rusty. You take the spray, you spray it onto the rusty part. Just rub. Just be careful and don't spray it on your brake disc. Take the foil, you rub this. So if you rub a little, put a little more spray. Again, be careful of the brake disc. You see the difference? It's much cleaner now. If you watch this bolt here, just rub, take your foil. It's not a perfect solution, but I think it does the job very well. So, that was a short video for you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. And please like and subscribe to my channel if you enjoy my content. And click on the notification bell so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. Thank you guys and see you in the next one.